Welcome to HardReset.info channel, dear viewers. In front of me is ZTE Blade A51, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. Firstly, you need to open control panel and disable all unnecessary features. So all you don't need right now. Disable Wi-Fi if you use mobile network or vice versa. Disable the torch, disable airplane, disable nearby share, disable screen recording if you're recording the screen, and reduce the brightness. And the last thing you can do to improve battery life on this device is to enable the power saving mode. And of course, you can open the settings and find battery here. And here you can find ultra power saving mode. In this mode your device will live several days. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you!